Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going? So we are playing around today with the Boya BY-WM6 wireless microphone system. So how do you make it sound really good? Well, the secret is using a really good little lapel mic rather than the one that they gave you. And to do that, this particular lapel mic, it uses 3.5 mil. So I've got a 3.5 mil here, 3.5 mil to so this lapel mic, sorry about that. This lapel mic is actually a TRRS lapel mic for putting straight into your phone. And so I've got a female TRRS to 3.5 mil adapter in the transmitter. Okay, so that's that one. And then on the receiver, if I pull this out, now it is a little bit of mucking around, but on the receiver, I'm using the XLR out, and I'm using a Comica AD2, and I'm monitoring that on my headphones. Now, for some strange reason, I couldn't get just the 3.5 mil out to work. I'm going to try again. And I'll tell you what, you wouldn't want to be moving around too much because we've got some interference. But the secret is change the microphone that they gave you with this Boya. Now I'm going to try and grab it. Hopefully I'll take this off so I'm not tethered. Okay, so I'm not tethered anymore, and we'll go and swap the mics over and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just going to grab the regular Boya one that came with this, okay, which I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'll pull this. Now that, my friends, that is the Boya, clipped basically in the same position. Okay, can you tell the difference? So I'm speaking now with the Boya that came with it, the original. I'm pretty sure that's the original. I'll double check. You can check by, frankly, this one may even be better. This is a pretty good mic that came with this. It's gold. Yeah, no, that should be right. That's not a bad mic, but let's change it back to what I recommend. Okay. So we're going to change it back. Okay, so these are basically very similar. I'll put that back to where the other one was. These microphones are pretty much very similar to a Purple Panda microphone. And it's a smartphone microphone, but I had to adapt it, remember? Comica makes an adapter. Just to reiterate, it's a TRRS to a TRRS female, then to a 3.5 millimeter to use with the transmitter. And the receiver I've got into the Boya XLR fitting, and then the AD2. But I'm going to try and work out if I can use just the 3.5 mil somehow. But anyway, I'll leave it there. That's how you improve that microphone system. You put on a better microphone, because the one that came with Boya isn't quite as good. I hope this helps you. I'm going to experiment a few more things to see if I can get this working with just this part, right? Rather than using the Comica AD2. So, but as you see, that's just 3.5 mil. So there might be a 3.5 mil to TRRS cable lying around here somewhere. I'm going to try and find it If I do find it and it works, I'll do another video. If not, I'll leave it there. I hope this helps you. Just change the mic that goes into it and it sounds really good. I walked around my whole house and it was great. Hope this helps. God bless. Teach Sal out.